Which one is better, Cove versus SimpliSafe? This video will review both of the sites. Let's break down their key differences to help you decide between Cove Smart and SimpliSafe. So Cove offers two monitoring plans, basic at $19.99 per month and plus at $29.99 per month. SimpliSafe provides a free self-monitoring option with paid plans starting at $9.99 per month. However, Cove's plan includes features like smart home integration and a lifetime equipment warranty. Both systems offer mobile app control. SimpliSafe provides better smart home integration, including compatibility with Alexa, Google Home, and Apple HomeKit. Cove's plan, on the other hand, offers Alexa and Google integration. So, the final verdict for this is that you need to choose Cove for its flexible monitoring plans and superior customer support. Opt for SimpliSafe if you prioritize a broader range of equipment and smart home compatibility.